Hi, this is Dr. Dan Ritchie from the Functional Aging Institute. And last year at Club Industry, I was honored with the PFP Trainer of the Year Award from Personal Fitness Professional. It really was a culminating experience for me and a great honor. And I want to share with you some of my comments from my speech at Club Industry Live from the showroom stage. It's a busy experience. There are lots of things going on, lots of fitness exhibitors, many things going on, and about 40 or 50 people gather around the live stage to witness this. 3 of us were on the stage, and amazingly my name was read as the winner, which was quite an honor out of over 500 trainers that the fitness industry would recognize someone who's focused on training the mature population. And so what I shared with them that day was really that I've been inspired for years, sometimes without even thinking about it, by my grandmother. My grandmother Winnie is 94 this year in 2014, and in her 70s and early 80s, she was teaching English as a second language in Pakistan to Afghan refugee women. Now most people, and I know some people did quietly say this, "Winnie, aren't you too old for this?" And what I realized as her grandson was that she really was never too old for anything. She was never too old for service. She was never too old for an adventure. She took on all sorts of crazy adventures in her life, from living in Afghanistan, building hospitals there with her husband back in the 70s, to going back there in the 90s and early 2000s when most people would have said, "Isn't it time for a rocking chair, Winnie?" And so I've realized that there's sort of this longevity in my family and this desire to continue to give back, this desire to continue to live life to the fullest, this desire to have a purposeful, meaningful life. And I attribute that to my grandmother Winnie, who still at this age is still traveling. You'll find her traveling to Oregon to see family members. She lives in Chicago. She's recently traveled to Australia and New Zealand. She has friends around the world. She's an amazing woman, and she's a credit to what your 80s and 90s can look like and how you can continue to serve people around you. So I tribute my Personal Trainer of the Year Award to my grandmother, and I just want to put that out as a challenge to you, that people in their 70s and 80s and 90s can still do amazing things, impactful things, things that impact the world around them in really, really purposeful ways. And if you'd like to learn more about how we train these mature clients, you can click the link below to go to functionalaginginstitute.com, where we teach you all about the mature populations and how exciting it is to train them. This is Dr. Dan Ritchie again with the Functional Aging Institute.